Hi everyone, I'm Oliver Franks, Solution Consultant at Anthesis, and welcome to another Friday function. This one is with regards a function that is released in 25R1, and in a few weeks' time we'll be doing a webinar which is the top 5 things that are AI powered that we think that you'll be interested in for this new release from IFS. But today I'm going to show you something which is not an AI function, but which is something that I think will add extremely high amounts of value to a lot of your demand planning and demand forecasting teams. It's something that we often get asked about, but we've not previously been able to do. So we're going to talk now about seeing real demand within the demand plan functionality in IFS. So what I'm going to do first is just show a little bit of data so you can understand what we're looking at. I've got some sales quotation lines for a particular product that I'm working on. Some of these are released, some of these are in plan status. I've also got some customer order line sales on different dates for this product so that we can see what's happening too. So if I now just open my demand forecast screen, bear in mind this is for a product that's not got any historic data, so IFS has not yet generated me an interesting forecast for this. The green line, as always with Demand Planner, is telling me what my user adjusted forecast is and therefore what will be going into the system. Obviously, if the IFS forecast that's been generated is something that the user is happy with, that yellow line that we're seeing at the bottom will be hidden underneath the green. But that's standard stuff that we already know about. What's new? These purple bars are new. For anyone who's not used Demand Planner, you will have spotted that straight away. And what these are doing is these are dragging genuine customer orders from IFS Cloud into the demand forecast screen. So that is showing me the customer order lines that I've just showed you, and with this deep purple bar. It's also showing on this kind of lilac colored bar released quotations, so these will be things that you'd expect to sell, I suppose, and these sort of light grey purple kind of bar is telling me my planned quotations. So what we now have is, rather than just having a unrestricted sales tool with no information showing within the forecast client as to what has been sold and what is already in the order book, we now have the ability to visualize that within Demand Planner and demand forecasting. It's a small function, it's not an AI function, but I think it's going to be very important, and it really makes Demand Planner more usable for your sales teams. I hope you find that interesting, and hopefully we'll see you at the end of the month. Cheers.